Good morning everyone. Today we are representing Raj International School and going to express our strong opinion on women empowerment. जाम्यो यानी गेहनी शपन्ते प्रति पूजिता तानी कृत्या हतानी विन्य शंति समन्ते. I'm not going to tell you the meaning directly. Instead, I'll beat around the bush. Hope you guys will figure it out throughout the video. So, when we hear women empowerment, our first thing pops in our mind is our image of typical man-dominated society. Today, I'm going to talk about men and their contribution to us. I'm not going to speak ill about men. And I'll also try my best not to sound the typical feminist. Because if I speak ill or bad about someone, then I'm also not good. And if I'm not good, I have no rights to criticize anyone. Especially men. At least, श्री कृष्ण ने तो यही कहा है, कर्म करो पर फल की चिंता ना करो. और मेरा मानना है कि अगर कर्म ही करना है तो अच्छा ही कर लो. So I choose to do good. Look, it's all about balance. To understand balance or to maintain it. I mean, if we have days, we have nights too. If we have things to celebrate, then no one is bad to cry at some point of time in their life. If we want good, we can't deny the bad. And that's how we develop, I guess. Thank you, man, for our development, because if development is a teamwork, then you have been team, dear man. I'm going to spread no hatred, no criticism, only going to appreciate all the men for all the women around the globe. Thank you, man. You are awesome. You have been there, whether as a critic or a supporter. Thank you for being what you have been. And I think this was our contribution to us. Thanks to my viewers. No hard feelings. Peace to the world. This was Vanshika Soni from Raj International School, a 10th grade student. Have a great day.
She is a beauteous piece of art, passionate in words with millions of dreams. Defined by no man, she is a writer of her own story flowing through the world. Hello everyone, skillfully I am very glad to take this opportunity to talk to you all about a very important topic, that is women empowerment. Before knowing the meaning of women empowerment, I might know from you people that what does women mean for you? Well, she means a lot for everyone. I see for women empowerment for me is freedom of doing something by their choices. But I am also proud of all the women and the feminists in this world because women are whole circle. They are creator, nurturer and transformer. That's why we call women magical. But they are something we have to change or think about, that women are not getting their rights properly. She does not have right to take her own decision or to participate in any profession by her choice. And it has been noticed that according to the data research, it has been noticed that empowering women result as a potential which accelerates the economic growth and development of the country. Feminism isn't about making the women strong. They are already strong. It is about that women's, it is about to change the way the whole world perceives that strength. Thank you everyone. This is Muskan, student of grade 10 from Raj International School. Thank you.
Strong women don't have attitudes, they have standards. So good morning to my excellence and my friends. So share this side from grade 10th F5. I am here to share my thoughts about women empowerment. Indian culture gives women most of the respect and many of our gods are female. The goddess of wealth is Ma Lakshmi, the goddess of power and strength is Ma Durga, and the goddess of wisdom is Ma Saraswati. Women are the backbone of their home and women play an important role in our society. The entire families depend on women for their daily activities. Moving further, I have some examples as well as the role model of every girl. I guess first one is Sushmita Sen. She is the first woman to win the Miss Universe title. Second one is Indira Gandhi. She is the first woman Prime Minister of India and she is the first woman to be awarded with Bharat Ratna. Third one is Kiran Bedi. She is the first woman IPS officer. If I talk about women and education, so quality education is the key to women empowerment. Slowly with increase in literacy level and awareness, society has started giving importance to the education. Many of parents today want to educate their daughters equally as their son. So many women are lecturer, doctors, scientists and whatnot. At the end, I want to ask you a question, and the question is that who is a strong woman? Well, my thoughts are a strong woman knows she has strength enough for the journey. But a woman of strength knows it is the journey where she will become strong. So it's been a pleasure being with all of you today. Thank you.